let's go over how to do a free body diagram. All right, so the free body diagram may be the most important part of setting up a homework problem or an engineering problem. If you cannot get the free body diagram correct, chances are it's going to be very difficult to get the problem correct. So how do we do a perfect free body diagram? All right, so step one, we need to draw an outline of the shape. So you don't need to be an artist or anything like that. Actually, if you include too much detail, it may get in the way of your forces and things like that. So just a brief outline of what's going on is sometimes the best. So maybe I'm going to draw this car. All right. So we have a car. Step one, done. All right. Step number two is we want to show all forces. On a free body diagram, FBD, right? We want to show forces. We do not put acceleration on a free body diagram. We don't put velocities. Free body diagrams are only meant for forces. All right, so let's put forces on this diagram here, and I'll put them in a different color. And for this car, maybe we have the weight of the car going downward. Well, let's hold off on labeling these. So we have the weight of the car, and then on each wheel here, we'll have forces upward as the ground pushes back up on the car. Okay, so that's step two. And then step three is label the forces. Okay, so labeling the forces. Like I said, we have maybe the weight of the car here. And if, maybe we'll call this point A here. So this force here is the normal force at A. And this here is the normal force at B. And there we have the perfect free body diagram.